$4 lang nakuha. What's this? What's this? That is.
Can you Naughty?
You want to eat? Di ka nang sundin lang kay hangkuan.
Wala man yan.
Ha?
Ito?
Oo.
Ay, hindi, Daddy. Malita ka. Flying 20.
He'll come before. You come before and see your niece. Oh, okay.
No, we don't have chips anymore. You keep eating them. Adi, namigay lang sila ng 5,000 per family.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sorry for the late intro. We are vlogging today because we are going to celebrate Charlie's birthday. So we're going to celebrate it with family and his friends. So it's just going to be an intimate one, nothing crazy. I'm doing all the preparations. It's supposed to be a birthday surprise, but since I have little time, I had no choice but to tell him. Yes, I'm just waiting for him to pick up the food that I ordered. Yeah, I'll just go and say hello to my little daughter. Hello. Hi everyone. Oh wow, I like your dress. Hi. Good morning. Hi baby. How are you?
I got a new toy.
Michael Gilligan. Yeah, Daddy's cooking now. Hi, where's your achi?
Just taking a shower.
I like your dress. Can you turn around? Woo! Where's Mommy Too's Chim Chim? I love you. Wow, ang sexy ni Otto. Oh, wow. Hi sis, good morning.
Good morning. Don't like.
Kuskus. Lord, bless her, Lord. Hope we win the lotto. We're gonna hit. Yeah, we're gonna help many people. So he's cooking lechong manok. Since Charlie doesn't eat pork, let's check him out. Yung ano. Ta-da!
Iwanan ako si Moy, buro pa kag-ungo.
Panlasang Pinoy!
Manta Pinoy, kiwi mo to dyan.
Oh, char. Pinoy.
That is not my.
Hoy, you don't have slippers. Go back. Nako naman. Come. Tara. Ba na nga. Daddy, may nakita akong magic syrup. Hindi naman nila ginamit yung magic syrup nila eh. Daddy is cooking pancit para long life. Magic syrup. Here we go, Dad. Natin ang niluluto ni Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Come with me to buy your birthday cake.
Yeah, surprise.
Surprise!
Not my birthday.
A few moments later.
Hi.
Brother, thank you. Happy birthday in advance.
Yeah, thank you. You will drink later?
No, I'm working
Sure.
tomorrow
That's
morning.
okay. Just a few hours. That's okay. Steph will look after your kids. Did you buy this for Dad?
This one?
Yeah.
You can buy it for around $74 in Bunnings. 8 kilos maximum. You just screw on this side.
Oh, you screw it.
Knock. Christmas. Isa man. Baka duguan pa. Daddy, how's your brownie? Yeah, it's your daddy.
Finish. Hello, 40.
Happy birthday.
You say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, wait lang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, close your eyes. Make a wish. Close your eyes. Make a wish. Daddy, Daddy.
One more.
One more.
Welcome to the club, brother.
Yeah.
2 more weeks.
I was thinking it had my full name, but instead it said baby Santa.
I know what it is.
No, it's not what you
Oh,
think.
Chandela.
You know what that is?
A chandela. I give one.
Oh, your daughter opened it already.
Oh yeah. Is this from her?
Yeah.
Hey, pajamas. What's this? Is this from Lottie? Did you get this?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow. Lottie. Thank you. Kiss,
Kiss Daddy.
Guba
Wala na, guba na. Halaka.
dito ako mag-birthday.
10 cases.
Huh?
Wow! Social!
Oh wow. Thank you.
Oh. Sir Chris! Birthday, babe.
Oh, no need to shop before I go to.
You cry, Lola.
Hindi nabibili na ng... Dito ko na lang ko ilagay.
Dari makitali. Tali sa tagdas tali. Tay, bugay pa na ubog ko kadali ay. Natay mo di wa ko kabalat ng kaon. Wa ko kaon. Inom ko do ka botilya naman.
Dalawa ko eh.
Ate, scooter lang daw kayo.
No, there's no battery.
Oh, she will attend ko ano halo.
Thank you for me.
Yeah, it's for you.
Wave! Bye, mami! Oh, cuddle, Ninong, cuddle!
Okay, let's sleep.
Oh, laka, laka! We're all bored. And we're
I need
painting
more
this
white.
canvas that has a pattern on it. It's let me show you.
I need some more white.
But it's becoming a
No, not the flower.
very chaotic art because Lottie is not cooperating
She's making a mess. What about my painting?
Okay, alright, that's it. We're going. Lottie, we're gonna go to
You
bed.
want my one. And mine. No. No.
What do you want?
Yeti can talk now.
Okay, what about you? You want some?
Yeah.
Okay. Wipe your foot.
Let's get them like this.
Say hi to the vlog, Jamie.
Cheese.
Strike a good pose. 1, 2, 3, posing.
Moments later.
We're packing up. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you on the next one. Adios.